Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a smart and simple hybrid self-mailing format from a company called Little Passports, and they do subscription box deliveries for kids. And so this is a self-mailing format. This is the mailing panel. Fold down here. I'm going to flip it over. This is the cover. And one of the little details that they did that I thought was really good is the cover is about 1/8 of an inch short, and it's got a pattern on the edge. So you can really feel that edge and where to lift up, which I just think is a smart little design and production detail. So this opens up like this. It says, give the gift of hands-on fun and learning. It's got an offer inside. This has a stream of fugitive glue right here. And then they've got, this is, as I said, this is a hybrid format. So they've got an asymmetrical double parallel swinger fold combo. So here's your asymmetrical double parallel. These panels, a traditional double parallel would be in half and then in half again. This has a shorter panel here that folds in and a shorter panel here. The other nice thing is this misses the stream of fugitive glue, so it's nice and short. It's a solid inch up or so, maybe a little bit more than that. And then there's also a swinger fold element, and that's the coupon. And the coupon then being a swinger fold element, so it cuts out of the next panel and becomes kind of dimensional because of that. So your coupon's already halfway out. You know, it's much easier to get somebody to tear that coupon out, which is really nice, but I like how this shorter panel is easy to then grab and pull down. I like the vertical format. This is showing the different age groups and what products are relevant to those age groups, and then it just leads you right down. They've got an arrow, you know, with a holiday offer, and they've got this coupon all the way, you know, already halfway out, and, you know, the order now for holiday delivery. And so it's just simple, smart. I really like the vertical format, how easy this is to open, and I love how just punchy this red is. It just draws your eye. You can't miss the offer. So this feels like it's about on an 80-pound cover. This is perfed here, this fold, and this little cutout here is also perfed on the bottom and cut on the top. And then these folds are scored, and so this is just fold down. And as I said, stream of fugitive glue and self-mail. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Hybrid, asymmetrical double parallel, and swinger fold self-mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finish you at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.